Hello and welcome back. My name is Amrita Saluja. I'm a psychologist and a hypnotherapy practitioner. Life is one of the most amazing gifts that anybody could be blessed with. This wonderful journey that helps us learn while we experience all these little things that life is gifting to us. However, some people might say life is easy, life is smooth, life is beautiful. But for some, the case isn't always that. Very often, I have experienced people confronting an issue that life perhaps is challenging for them. No matter how hard they try, the element of peacefulness doesn't come in very easily. And the more effort they're trying to put in, somehow life seems to be more difficult. So, on that note, today I would like to talk about life and why perhaps some people fail to experience the wonderful beauty of life and actually cherish the happiness that the others are actually enjoying. People who are unable to enjoy life are perhaps the ones who are really struggling to make sure that the life ahead of them is happier. This in itself becomes an issue. What happens is we're trying our level best to make our tomorrow pleasant, make our tomorrow secure. However, the present, the today, the gift of now gets ignored, gets lost amongst this chaotic rat race that all of us are running in. Every time you're choosing a future happiness and sacrificing the present pleasantness, you are postponing the happiness that life might have given you right this very moment. I understand that ensuring and making your future secure is absolutely important. Every day we wake up and we make plans for the future hours that are lying right in front of us. However, we also need to ensure that we do not overdo this planning. We do not over-focus on just the future. We need to keep a balance. That is exactly what life is about. If you focus too much on present, the future might get affected, and if you're focusing too much on the future, the present will get affected. The only principle that applies in every aspect of life is balance. As long as you're able to understand the line between cherishing the present and wasting the present and not making the moment the best moment out of it, only then can things be difficult. With awareness, with guidance, with more effort and focus, you can and must start living in today. Because this very moment in itself is bringing you happiness. But what happens when life is bringing you happiness? You're too busy focusing on the future. Somewhere I have experienced people focusing too much on the future because they feel they do not deserve the happiness yet. A couple who says we are going to go out on our anniversary and let's sit at home and be a part of the regular chores are missing out the opportunity to have a dinner date at home itself. It's not important for you to wait for an occasion. Every day is an occasion as long as you're willing to accept it. A date might be significant, however, this moment with you, where your partner are together, is a moment in itself. The more you're able to understand, accept, and feel the gratitude for the little things in life, the more happiness would start flowing into your life. I see a lot of people postponing this happiness, and rather I should say procrastinating their happiness because I am too busy right now. I am too busy creating my future, therefore I am unable to see the present. Understand, the more you're unaware of the now, and more the lost you are in the future. When that future comes and becomes a part of now, you might still be lost in the future. Therefore, it is important to understand that instead of working so hard, start enjoying the process. Stop being that host who organizes a party, puts in all the effort, ensures everything to be spick and span and perfect, but forgets to enjoy the party himself or herself. If you're celebrating something, make sure you're a part of the celebration. If you're living life, start living it now. Most people are trying to fix life instead of living it. Understand that life is a gift which focuses on now. We call today the present because it is the most amazing gift of life that the universe can give us. All I'm asking you to do is find the balance, stop getting lost in the future, pull yourself back into the present and start cherishing what life is already offering you. Stop playing the when-then game. The game where you try and convince yourself, when this would happen, then I would do this. When that would happen, then I would do this. Stop waiting for the thens and whens and start focusing on the now. Because right now, my dear friend, you have every reason to be happy. All you need to do is open your eyes, accept it, acknowledge it, and start celebrating it. I hope you get inspired and start living the moment now. And I'm sure if you focus, you can at least name 5 reasons that you can be happy about in this very moment, and at least 1 reason that will help you celebrate this moment, this hour, and cherish life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Signing off, Amrita Saluja from Omkar Academy of Life. Wish you lots of happiness.